وَأَيُّوبَ إِذْ نَادَى رَبَّهُ أَنِّي مَسَّنِيَ الضُّرُّ وَأَنْتَ أَرْحَمُ الرَّاحِمِينَ. And Ayub, when he called his Lord, that distress has touched me, and you are most merciful of those who are merciful. The distress has seen Ayub alayhi salam. The Prophet of Allah, he was touched by the devil. So he says, وَأَيُّوبَ إِذْ نَادَى رَبَّهُ أَنِّي مَسَّنِيَ الضُّرُّ وَأَنْتَ أَرْحَمُ الرَّاحِمِينَ. And Ayub, when he called his Lord, that distress has touched me, and you are most merciful of those who are merciful. Surah Araf 7:23. قال ربنا ظلمنا أنفسنا وإن لم تغفر لنا وترحمنا لنكونن من الخاسرين. And Adam in his prayer says, they both said, oh our Lord, we have oppressed our souls, and if you do not have forgiveness for us and mercy for us, definitely we will be from the losers. This dua, you must memorize it. You must memorize these two duas. The messenger got hurt. Mankind got hurt from this devil who has injured mankind of all times. It is the grace of Allah and the mercy by virtue you can save God. Otherwise you are losers. We are losers in all times. You got to take up the message of the Quran. We are killing thousands of fires you can see in the world. It's because of the devil. It was never Allah told you about killing each other. It was Islam. Islam means peace. Peace to the world. Not killing, fighting in the name of Allah. Nonsense. This is nonsense. Islam means peace. A person who submits his will to the will of Allah is Muslim. Meaning you have the religion of Allah is peace. How can you talk about Islam with such nonsensical talks? This is the dua of the Prophet. If the Prophet can get hurt, what are we? If Adam was out of the garden, what are we? Children of Adam. Nothing.